Hello friends, myself Bhavesh Dave and welcome to Sanskrit subject of grade 6. Today we are going to start chapter 1 in our subject. That is chapter 1 is Vandana, that means bowing, prayer to God. So first slok is about teacher. So teacher is like a Brahma, teacher is like a Vishnu, teacher is like a Mahesh, that means Lord Shiva, and teacher is the manifestation of the Lord, ultimate Lord. And second slok is about Lord Ganesha, who is the remover of all hurdles. And third slok is about Goddess Saraswati. The Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. Okay, so three sloks are there. I will sing them, I will translate them word by word, then we will translate them full translation. Okay, so we are going to start this chapter. First slok is there about teacher. So you know the slok, but when I sing the slok, you stop the video and also you repeat the slok. Okay, so follow me as I sing. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guruhu Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I am going to repeat this slok. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guruhu Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So, translation word by word is Gurur Brahma, that means teacher is a Brahma. Okay, teacher is like a Brahma. You know, there are three words. There are we call God. Okay, what is the full form of God? So God's full form is generator, operator, and destroyer. Generator, that means Brahma. Brahma is the generator of this world. He is creating this world himself. Okay, तो ब्रह्मा जी जो है वो उत्पत्ति करते हैं. Then operator, that means Vishnu, who is operating this world, जो इस वर्ल्ड को संसार को चलाता है. And destroyer, that means Lord Shiva, God. Okay, so destroyer means God Shiva, who is destroying this world. So there is Brahma, teacher is Brahma, who can create our life. Okay, so second is Guru Vishnu, Guru Vishnu, that means the Guru is, the teacher is Lord Vishnu, who is operating the life. And third is Guru Devo Maheshwarah, the teacher is Lord Mahesh, the teacher is Lord Mahadev. Then Guruhu Sakshat Parabrahma, that means the Guru is the manifestation of the ultimate Lord. And Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, I bow that Guru, I bow that teacher. Okay, so full translation is the teacher is Brahma, the teacher is Vishnu. The teacher is Lord Shiva and the teacher is ultimate, and the teacher is the manifestation of the ultimate Lord. Salute with bowed hand and folded hands to that teacher. Okay, so first slok was about teacher has completed. Now you have to remember this slok. Okay, तो जब गुरु पूर्णिमा आती है तब आपको इस श्लोक से गुरु की वंदना करनी पड़ती है. हमारी ज़िंदगी के सबसे पहले गुरु कौन है? सो फर्स्ट टीचर इज आवर लाइफ इज आवर पेरेंट्स. सो आवर पेरेंट्स आर फर्स्ट टीचर ऑफ आवर लाइफ. वी लर्निंग फ्रॉम देम मैनी मोर थिंग्स, मैनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम देम. ओके, एंड सेकेंड श्लोक इज अबाउट लॉर्ड गणेशा एंड वी लव लॉर्ड गणेशा. हम जब भी भाद्रपद महीना आता है, जब लॉर्ड गणेशा हमारे घर पे आते हैं, 10 दिन तक हमारे घर पे रहते हैं, हम लॉर्ड गणेशा को क्यों मानते हैं? क्योंकि लॉर्ड गणेशा जो है वो विघ्नों को दूर करते हैं. वो जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको दूर करते हैं, इसलिए हम उनको ज़्यादा मानते हैं। जब भी कोई भी पूजा होती है कहीं पर भी, तो सबसे पहले लॉर्ड गणेशा की पूजा होती है, वो आप सबको पता ही है। चलिए तो शुरू करते हैं। ये श्लोक भी आपको ज़रूर आना चाहिए। तो श्लोक है, वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। I am going to repeat this श्लोक। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Okay, so translation of this श्लोक word by word is Vakratunda, that means who has cured face, that means crooked face. Okay, so O Lord Ganesha with the crooked face, Mahakaya, that means O Ganesha with the huge body. Maha means huge and Kaya means body. Kaya means body. Okay, Surya Koti Samaprabha, with the brilliance of crores of suns. Okay, Deva, that means God. Here Ganpati, the Dev, that means Ganpati. May sarva karyeshu nirvignam kuru, that means may sarva karyeshu means in all my good deeds, in all my good works, nirvignam kuru, make hurdle free, make them problems free. Okay, so full translation is, O Lord Ganesha with the crooked face, huge body, the brilliance of crores of suns, please make me hurdle free in all my good deeds, in all my good works forever. ओके, सो हमने भगवान गणेश जी से प्रार्थना की कि हमें हमारे सारे कार्य में, सारे वर्क्स में हमें प्रॉब्लम्स फ्री करें, यानी हमारे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं थर्ड श्लोक। This about is goddess Saraswati, and you know that Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. जब भी हम पढ़ाई करने बैठते हैं या फिर आप जब भी अपने घर पर उठकर जब लाइव लेक्चर में बैठते हो, तो 5-10 मिनट पहले आप लाइव लेक्चर में बैठ जाओ नहाकर एंड प्रे टू गॉडेस सरस्वती। एक श्लोक आपको, 2-3 श्लोक तो आपको जरूर बोलने हैं, जो श्लोक आपकी इस बुक में दिए हैं रोज। ओके, तो रोज ये 3 श्लोक आपको देखकर बोलने हैं। उसके बाद आपको आदत हो जाएगी कि आप इनको बिना देखे भी बोल पाओगे। चलिए थर्ड श्लोक इज अबाउट गॉडेस सरस्वती। नमस्ते शारदे देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा। I am going to repeat this श्लोक। नमस्ते शारदे देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा। ओ गॉडेस सरस्वती विद तो चलिए इसको देखते हैं। वीणा पुस्तक धारिणी, वन द होल्डिंग ऑफ वीणा एंड बुक। ओके, शारदे देवी, दैट मीन्स ओ गॉडेस सरस्वती। तुभ्यम नमः, दैट मीन्स टू यू, सैल्यूट टू यू। विद्यारंभम करिष्यामि, दैट मीन्स I will start my study, okay, I will start my education I am going to start my education. Prasanna Bhava Sarvada, that means be pleased, be pleased. May you blessing always be with me. Always. Sarvada means क्या होता है? Always. And Prasanna Bhava means be pleased. अब देखते हैं इसका पूरा ट्रांसलेशन. O Goddess Saraswati, O Goddess Sharada, holding a veena and a book, my salute to you. I shall start studies. Am starting studies. You please be pleased with me forever. Okay. So these are 3 shlokas are there. Please remember them and translate them yourself. Okay. So our lecture is finished here. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you so much.